Welcome back to another video. Now you may be wondering, is this dude really finna make a high quality $1 million beat off a phone? I mean, I could try, you feel me? You feel me? I might be able to make it happen, you feel me? Let's see. Let's get into it, man. How to make an EBK jaaybo type beat. That's what we doing? This how we finna do it? Bow. Instrument, go to, keyboard, bow. Grand piano, bow. All right, now we almost there. Off the phone though? Off the phone, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Off the back. So off the back, nigga. Off the back, nigga, I'm squabbling you.
Say off the back, bitch. Off the back. Crenshaw the Fig, Vernon Avenue. I just don't.
Niggas over whooping.
Y'all over-whoop me, bro.
They like, y'all probably like, this nigga over whooping. I'm over whooping. So look, let's get a melody. Stretch it out, right? Bow. That easy. All right, boom. Got that. I'm finna just take the grand piano out. I don't know why I added the extra one. I'm finna just get a little tricky with this one. I'm finna clone it, and I'm finna add on another, just a different type of, different instrument. You gotta make, and for the piano, you want to make sure you, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but like you cut out the low ends. So go to the graphic EQ, bop, bop, bing. And then I'm gonna fade this harmless energy key to the background. Now I'm about to throw a pad on there, so let's get it. Pad. All right, now we got like a beat to get jiggy with. So now I'm finna get into the drums. So we're gonna start off with the clap. All right, now that we got our clap, we're going to add on a crash on. No, that's too loud. It's too loud. We're going to throw a crash on there. Alrighty, now that we got a little, now it's important to, you know, get jiggy on your drum kits and just making a beat in general. There's a lot that goes into making a beat, so you want to make sure that you kind of get everything, but you're not overwhelming the beat, but you're just, you know, you're putting your, you know, you just got to be creative, you feel me? But let's throw some lasers on there. Alrighty, now we're about to go to everybody's favorite part. The 808s, man, them spins, baby. Yeah, I love my spins. Can't nobody tell me nothing about my spins. Team business. Yeah, hold on. Now, usually how I do this, I solo my beat, and then I kind of stretch it. I stretch it a couple bars. I say about 4 bars. About 4 bars. All right, so I kind of just let it play out a little bit, and then I kind of add in my little extra effects. Boom, and then I throw my claps. Honestly, there's no like perfect way to do it. Everybody does it how they want to do it. But yeah, I throw my crashes and claps in there, and then I throw my spins in there a little bit, and then you just got to get creative with it, man. And then boom, the beat's done. The beat's already, well, I can't, no, look, the beat's not done, but the foundation is done. You feel me? You got something to work on now. You got something to get jiggy with. You can, I'm not really putting as much effort in with this beat. I could switch it up and add on to like another melody to kind of make it sound like more, different rather than just like us repeating that same melody. But I'm just going to keep it short and sweet for this video. But yeah, man, that's really how you do it. It's very simple. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Make sure y'all smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on old big body bangers.